How to create Zoom meeting link. So if you want to create a Zoom meeting link or schedule a meeting in Zoom, then what you need to do is if you have the application, you can open up the application or you can just go with your browser. Under your browser, you can simply go with Zoom video communications and here you will have your join meeting, sign in Zoom on the first. You just need to simply click on it and it will take you to the website. So just go with allow and then go with join meeting if you want to join a meeting. But if you want to create a Zoom meeting, then you just need to simply go and sign into your account, enter your email address and password, or you can just sign in with your SSO, Apple, Google, or your Facebook. So I'll be going with my Google. You can choose your account and sign in. Now, once you've signed in, if you want to create a Zoom meeting, then here you just need to simply go with new meeting. Now, once you've signed into your account, you just need to simply go with new meeting to start a new meeting. But if you want to create or schedule a meeting, then what you need to do is just go with schedule, which is right here. Once you click on schedule, then it will take you to the schedule meeting page from where you just need to simply select the topic or choose a topic. You can add description if you want to. So I'll be choosing the topic as test, and then you can go with the description if you want to add any description to it. For example, I'll be choosing demo, and you need to enter the date. So I'll be choosing today's date and you can go with time. For example, I'll be choosing 2:30 and go with AM or PM. I'll be choosing PM and you can go with the duration, for example, 15 minutes. Scroll down and go with the time zone and you can go with the attendees. You can enter the usernames or email addresses of the attendees if you want to, and you can go with the meeting ID. If you want to automatically generate the meeting ID, you can go with generate automatically, or if you want to generate it personally, then you can simply choose personal meeting and you will have the password. And if the other person, like if you invite the other person and if they click on the link, then they need the passcode to join the meeting. So if you want to enter the password or add a password to your meeting, then you just need simply copy the password and send it to the persons to whom you send the link. And after that, you can go with video, you can go with on or off, and you can simply go with options. If you want to just choose hide or the options or show the options, you can go with it and go with save. Once you click on save, then the meeting will be saved and you don't need to do anything. You just need simply go with start and you can start the meeting and it will be done. You can also go with copy invitation and then copy meeting invitation. Once you've copied, you can go with your friends or your family members or your colleagues and then you can send it to them. So that's it. That's how you can schedule a meeting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.